Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, car is already off the trailer, but I have a good news and I have a bad news. Stick around. So guys, the good news, the car is off the trailer and I finally got this key card programmed. But the bad news, as soon as technician left, I started an update. The center screen was calling for an update, and I started an update, and the car went blank. Pretty much half of the car is unresponsive right now. So I pretty much know what the problem is, and we'll get to it later on. But I'm gonna have to take it to a dealer because, as many of you know, Tesla, you can't touch Tesla. You can't hook up your scanner. You can't do anything with it other than have Tesla do diagnostics or programming with their tool. So I'm gonna have to take it to a dealer, and I don't want to take it to a dealer as it is. I want to assemble it a little bit further. So let's get to it. You know, there is a reason why they call month May, because it's may be cold or may be hot. Maybe cold or maybe hot. Okay guys, so the car is completely assembled and it's ready to go to a dealer. I'm pretty sure that the problem is in MCU or in navigation slash MCU computer that controls the touch screen, computer that controls the communication with the Tesla. I am 99% sure that the problem is there. What exactly happened, I'm not sure, but I think car went into a firmware update and it's got hung up somewhere in the middle, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why it's got interrupted, whether it's got interrupted at all. My expectations, I think Tesla is gonna tell me that the computer is bad, and as I was reading on some forums, I read some people updated their computers. Like if you wanna get a full self-driving capabilities, you would have to update your computer from hardware 2.5 to hardware 3, and I see that people pay like somewhere around $2,500. So that's pretty much my expectations. I think the dealer is going to tell me that computer is bad, and it's probably going to cost me somewhere in that range, about $2,500. But I'm still hopeful. I still hope that they're going to be able to hook up their computer directly to the MCU, because as I was looking at the MCU, it's got two Ethernet ports on the side of it. So I'm hoping that they can connect directly to the module and maybe push firmware, program the module that way. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but you know, I'm kind of prepared for the worst case scenario. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any future updates or future videos. Thank you for sticking so far with me, and I'll see you on the next one.